This is a review of the Bootstrap Farmer 10 by 10 bundle in blue. And this actually does come with 4 humidity domes, 4 10 by 10 trays, and 24 6-cell trays. And these are absolutely wonderful. I love using these because the 6 cells are a perfect size for for seed starting. And then when you go to up pot or plant outside, you just pop it out. And then along with the fact that each 10 by 10 tray does hold 6 of them, which is why it comes with 4 trays, 24 inserts, and 4 humidity domes. And these are of really good quality. And these do have air pruning on the sides, and the 10 by 10 trays do not have holes in them, which makes them really good for not only top watering, but for bottom watering as well because of the grooves that are in the bottom. I would strongly recommend this if you're looking for a 10 by 10 size instead of the 10 by 20.